You are going to love the 2023 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.